Welcome! In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can change your theme from dark to light, or you can set up also custom theme. So we have to go for the settings, then pick on the personalization, and when you are here we have to go for the themes and displays. So as you can see, we created the random theme. There is the background, then we can change. So we can go for a picture for this one, for example, or for this one. When we go back for the themes, we can change this on default theme, the color gold. For example, we can pick for this one and take a look. As you can see, it changed. Let's go back for our settings. We can also set up the simple background, as you can see right here. So we can switch to the dark, light, or also we can custom. You can decide what you want to get. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.